Hello Zootastic fans, I'm Mark and today we're diving deep into the Allwetter Zoo Muenster in Germany to meet a fish that literally every child on the planet recognizes instantly. Because we're visiting the Ocellaris Clownfish, which, thanks to a certain Hollywood movie, is probably the most famous resident of the entire coral reef. But don't let the name that you also know, the false clownfish, fool you. There's absolutely nothing fake about this little guy. He just differs slightly from his true cousin by the number of spines in his dorsal fin. Just look at the vibrant orange and those snow-white stripes, which almost look like someone touched them up with a paintbrush. His entire life revolves around a very special living arrangement, a symbiosis with a venomous sea anemone. And while almost any other fish would be paralyzed the moment they touched an anemone, the clownfish has a clever protective layer of mucus on his skin. He uses those stinging tentacles as his personal security system, darting back into them at first sign of danger, and in return he keeps his home clean, fans fresh water toward the anemone, and even barely drives away hungry predators. And as you can realize, as a non-native speaker, I have the same issue with the name of that thing as the certain Nemo did. But here at the Allwetter Zoo Muenster, you can observe this fascinating interaction between fish and cnidarian from very close range. It's wonderful to watch how he glides through the tentacles almost like a dancer, even if he always looks a little bit clumsy while doing it. And did you know that all clownfish are actually born as males and the largest individual in the group simply transforms into a female? In the world of these anemone fish, there's a very clear hierarchy where the ladies definitely call the shots in their territory. The aquatics experts here at the zoo ensure the perfect water chemistry so that the coral world glows as magnificently as we see it here. And it's a real highlight to see how these colorful symbiotic partners live together so harmoniously right here in Muenster, in Westphalia, in the middle of Europe. And the Ocellaris Clownfish shows us that as a team, you can get along perfectly even with the most dangerous neighbors. And if you are a total fan of Team Nemo, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Zootastic so you don't miss another dive into the wondrous world of our animals. And now, as usual, I'm going to be quiet and let you enjoy some tranquil, stunning footage of these amazing creatures for the rest of the video, of course with some music I picked.